What's up, everyone? Welcome to another video. You might be wondering, what are we doing in this kind of layout, position, intro? We have a hole in the seat in the RSX. We're gonna swap this out. I haven't watched a video on how to take it out or put a new seat in. So you're in the ride with us for an installation video. So we went on eBay and bought us some NRG seats. No, I didn't get fixed bucket seats like I did for the X3. Got some reclinable ones because this is the daily driver. But I'm gonna post a screenshot right here of the listing that I bought. This is a, your regular NRG Type R style seats, but this package is supposed to come with brackets for the RSX. So we'll see if that's true. And in this small box, I bought sliders because I don't know if this package does come with sliders. So we're gonna unbox it and see what's going on. I spent way too much money during Black Friday. This wasn't even a Black Friday sale. Very nice. I think I cut into the seat. Okay, dude. It's a dead body. Okay, we have bracket. Oh, did it come with sliders? Oh, it does come with sliders. So one's gonna be driver and one's gonna be passenger. Let's see what's in this box. What's in the box? Slider rails, slider handle, same thing there. Do these come with the brackets installed? You're lying. Do they even come with brackets? Am I tripping? Oh, no, I'm tripping. It is the bracket. Yeah, because this came from eBay also. They just shipped in two different boxes. Yeah. So one would be driver, one would be passenger.
That was good.
Okay, driver, passenger. Instructions, psych.
NRG.
I don't know where I put the knife.
Whoa, what was that?
Well, you can't touch me like that. Okay. Oh, so this is passenger and that's driver. All right, let's figure out how to take the seat out. Step one. Damn, they look like 15. So in the back, there are two plastic covers. So I took up a plastic cover. You see right here, pops off. 16, 15. I think 15.
Looks like 15, yeah.
15.
Nah, it's definitely a 10, bro.
Okay.
Oh, dude. Rice cookers, bro. Shit.
What happened?
Awesome car, bro. It's great. Fantastic.
15 first try. 15 first try. Stripped. First try. Yeah. I need you.
Cinnamon.
This is
I got a cinnamon shot.
Holy bro, I'm not trying to pull my back.
Don't pull your back.
God.
Dude, why are you actually fit? Like, you actually have a butt. Yo, whose 330i is that, bro? Oh, it's a 430i. Great.
Wait, is there a wire connected? Oh, yes, there is.
Yes.
Yep, sounds like I'm tearing it up. What the hell are these for? What sensor is this?
Yo, wait, hold on. Airbag. My head was about to blow off. Hey, how's it go?
10 mil.
Sheesh. What you think?
That's weird. Aren't they usually red?
What the funny?
Say it. Do the roar.
How do you unplug this? Okay. Does it push down, pull up, push down, pull up, push down, pull out? Pull out. Oh. Wait, what? Oh.
Boom!
Okay, so 3 plugs. Unravel it out of the seats. Okay.
Insert applause.
Driver's seat.
Alex, your car's a little dirty there, man.
Hey, can you have the vacuum from upstairs?
Oh, bro, I have so much room down here.
You're sitting in McDonald's French fries that haven't been cleaned in 20 years. That's great. This car is 23 years old. This car is the same age as Aiden. Actually, same age as you.
We're the same age.
I'm literally 30. Hey, whose hairpin is this?
Who's the
You see a new shifter? Did you feel it?
I feel what? Harder. You're struggling there.
It's not easy. Why does this have a fuse under the seat or a relay?
You got warmers? No, right?
No, this car don't got warmers. Some of them do come with warmers, but this one doesn't. Oh my gosh, why are there so many wires?
What did you say?
I'm actually getting irritated, bro. Who's 330i's parked out front, bro? They ain't move that shit.
Oh, bro, the amp is bolted to this.
The amp.
Yeah, that's why there's so many wires.
What? What am I talking about?
Hey, can you give me that? Where'd Aiden go? Can you give me that 10 mil on the battery? Deep socket 10. There's so many wires. Why are there so many wires under here? Dude, what is going on down here?
You know, letting your friends film is a pretty bad idea.
It's a great idea.
Keep looking over at that 330.
Are you monetized or no?
I am.
Not anymore, bud.
Hello. There we go. What?
Glitter or lit is fucking obliterated. Like, I'm just not realizing.
Who, Chris's? Yeah. Hey, bro, this is a Honda channel now, not a BMW channel, all right?
So what's that in the garage?
Que loca, papi?
Oh, it's a Honda CRV.
That's BMW.
Aiden, how many followers do you have on Instagram?
700? Not
Okay, if my subscribers can get you 1,000, you owe me your next paycheck.
No, I don't care about
Bro, but like, think about it. What happened?
Yeah, what did happen?
What were you gonna say?
So, question. Do you know how you disconnected the airbags, right?
Uh-huh.
For the seat. Do you have the relays? You have to put a
resistor.
Yeah, a resistor.
No, I didn't buy those.
Just use a paperclip. That's what I did.
Yeah, I just gotta figure out which one's the airbag.
I was gonna say the yellow one.
We'll figure it out. Okay. I just gotta figure out where to bolt this amp up. I was gonna just have it
Screw that.
self-tap it to the ground.
Yeah, on the dash, right there. Do a flip.
Look, I just got a new board, guys.
Former. Nice.
What am I? Oh, the top.
Okay.
Ah, my finger! Aiden, you want some money? There's a $5 bill down here.
You want pizza still?
Oh, that sounds so good.
So much for that pizza.
I can see you. Should I throw his penny away or is it illegal?
You know they're discontinuing pennies now? The National Treasury or whatever? They're discontinuing pennies after, I think like February 1st or something like that.
I didn't hear about that actually.
Yeah, it was at Rose's.
Yeah, I heard about that.
You would know if you went.
Bro, okay. I mean, Larson
Why is it? Is it clogged? No!
What happened?
No!
What? Oh, Jesus.
I dropped the filter in there.
Where? Oh. I see it. Tires for the wheel? I mean, hello? Tires for the Acura?
Yeah. It's the vacuum filter. Huh?
It's ammonia.
This thing stinks. This thing is disgusting. Oh, geesh.
Dude, that's a lot.
Dude, I think we need a new filter. This thing is so disgusting.
Holy gutted.
This car stinks. Ugh.
What is it? Holy shit, bro. Is that an RSX?
So I like the gutted look. Are you gonna keep that?
Yeah, we're gonna put the Home Depot buckets in here. Ah, dang, I gotta put this jacket in the wash now.
Bro, you should have just let me done your headlights now.
Fuck no.
No, I'm gonna wait till later when I'm about to wrap it.
Yo, how crazy would it be if I took a knife and just slit the chair?
Wait, can we get a thumbnail? Okay.
How's it going?
What's up? Yeah. Yeah.
Come on now.
We are all very poor.
Passenger side. There's levels to this game.
There is. I like your head's at, bro.
I think I broke it.
Is there?
Is there any hardware? Oh, they're in the box.
I don't know, but you can use one of the blades to cut it. That was pretty good, huh?
That was good.
Yeah, shut the
Where did
side bow.
Where did I put it?
Is it in the car?
No, not that.
No, it's not that.
No, it's not
Holy shit, it's
that.
full.
Oh, it's in my pocket. How does this work? This thing is greasy. It's a trim piece for the trunk.
Is it new?
Nah, I just took it off because when they were doing tint, it was easier. And I'm gonna take the rear windshield wiper off. Does this car come with hardware?
Hardware. Explosions everywhere. Michael Bay.
Hey, so your car's right there. The stop sign's down the road. You can just go.
Where's your car?
Was there hardware in this box? Oh.
Boom!
I got 3 big booms.
Can I help you?
Hey, it's raining.
Yeah. What do I need this thing? Do I need this cover? Oh, it's sewn on that side.
Dude, yeah.
Which side is down? Is it angled down or does it angle upwards?
Mine was this way.
Downwards? Okay. So obviously it goes like this. That's the front of the seat. You said it goes down? I'm not sure which part goes to the seat. Oh, wait. I'm confused. Hold on. Because I'm recording. On the base?
Correct.
Okay, all right. I think we use the, I think these use the, wait, but why is there 8 of these?
Yeah, this is my girlfriend.
So I can put that one in. Okay, let's just put 1 screw in on each.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I remember that. Hey, Ish. Fuck you.
First try, no.
Holy shit, this guy sucks. That's weird. I don't know who said that.
Oh my gosh. Hello?
On gosh?
I said, oh my gosh.
Oh.
What is it screwing into? Wait, yeah. Is it even screwing in? That washer go.
No progress, by the way.
Do I put the seat rail on first? Or do I put the bracket first on?
Dude, can he be any louder?
It's alright, I like to walk my jack at night and then the night at night, you know?
Whatever the hell you just said. I like to walk my jacket then night.
I feel bad for my neighbors, bro. I'll be finishing a job and it's like 10 p.m. and I'm walking a jack up the driveway. Just
Trying to figure out what that is for right there.
So Alex, how's it going? Give us an update.
finally got the seat rail somewhat figured out. Now I'm gonna transfer the seat belt buckle, but there's a lot of stuff that's weird looking down here. It's like, yeah, I don't know. But we're gonna put the seat belt over there. Aiden, can you give me light?
Light? Oh, let's go.
Woohoo! Where's the 15? Is it over there? Chris, you took the 15 off.
It's on the drill.
Oh.
I told you I left it on the drill.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I promise you I did, brother.
This is on the drill.
I didn't even use that.
I did.
What's this?
15 long, bro, really? Why did I need the 15? Oh. Bro, it's 813. Why is this? What is this? I should have probably watched a YouTube video on this.
Yeah, you gotta unplug all that.
Oh, what? All right, I guess we are gonna unplug all of that.
Pizza's here.
Crazy.
That'd be bad, huh?
Pizza!
Oh, actually, it'll be here in about 15 minutes. So I'm curious, Chris. What is that shirt that you're
Bro,
wearing?
I dropped the spacer.
This shirt right here?
Yeah.
Travis Scott.
Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. Shut the
Hey, over here.
That's weird.
I dropped the spacer in there.
That's weird. We got pizza, y'all.
Bro, why are you recording?
Alex is frustrated, but we're gonna get through it. It is dark as hell, but we got the chair, the first chair of the passenger seat finished. Now we're just gonna put it in, and Alex is gonna show y'all how to do that.
No, I'm not. Is there anything back here that I'm on? Oh. Hello. Oh. Hey. Obviously, the seats have been finished. It was getting dark. It was getting late. It was getting frustrating. I was getting frustrated. Not frustrated. Just figuring things out while installing the seats. Well, they're installed, as you can see. But there's one small issue. The seats are fine. They're a bit flimsy, NRG. What would I expect? I'm not spending money on sparkles right now. I don't have the money for that. But I do want to show you that for me being 5'6", short femurs, long torso for being 5'6", I have a slight problem reaching the clutch. So if you can see, so I'm sitting kind of normal, maybe a little bit of space between my butt and the deep section of the seat, kind of like leaning back a little bit, and my butt is sitting a little bit more up front so I can reach the pedals. I'm still having a slight problem with reaching the clutch to fully engage. Whenever I fully engage, my leg is literally like at its full extension to where I'm literally flexing my quads. So that's kind of the problem we're running into right now. And like, is it drivable? Yes, it's perfectly fine. I could probably adjust the shifter that y'all watched the video on to be angled towards me instead of angled towards the steering wheel. But I really want to see if I can adjust the seating position. I'd rather sit a little bit closer than having to adjust the shift knob. And the steering wheel doesn't telescope like my BMW. So I want to be just a little bit closer, maybe like 3 to 4 inches, which when we're talking about seats, that's a lot of adjustment because who knows if I have that much room to play. I'm gonna take the seat out and see if I can reverse the sliders to where all the way back is actually even with the seat bracket and moving forward is what the adjustment is. I asked ChatGPT, they said not to do it because it's not safe, but these seats already feel unsafe, so I'm gonna just do it because I'd rather feel more comfortable driving instead of having to like lean back and kick forward. Yeah, so we're gonna take the seat out and I'll probably turn the camera on whenever the seat's already out. Close the garage because it's freaking windy and like 45 degrees outside. It's cold to us in Texas, all right? Yeah, I already took off the seat rails. As you can see, this is the driver's seat. We're only doing the driver's seat. But I took them off and now I'm reversing them. But the issue is, so say you're sitting, right? Instead of pulling the lever to go up and down, now I'm gonna be pushing down to be going up and down, which could cause some safety concerns to some people. Obviously, gravity goes down, and the point of having a lever is to pull up for safety reasons. We'll see what happens. I think I should be fine. There's a lot of resistance on the handle itself, but I think we'll be fine. So we're gonna install this, put it on, see if it even works, and then we'll see how my seating position is. Genuinely, I feel like I am just so dumb. I didn't end up putting the sliders in reverse. They're installed properly. I think the reason why I wasn't being able to get the full extension, one, I think I had the placement, because like, hold on. Let's go back. We got the seat, the sliders, and the rail bracket, okay? Seat, rail, bracket. I think the sliders themselves were placed to not give me the maximum closeness to the steering wheel. I think I had it set to the back, which is why they look like they sat an inch behind the passenger seat. And yeah, like, I don't know. Okay, seat's back in, all right? They're so much more even now, this seat and that seat. This one was sitting like a good 2 inches behind what that one was sitting, so I was like, something has gotta be wrong. I have no idea what it was, but the seat feels so much better. Like, I'm not stretching to pressing the clutch. Literally, scooting up 2 inches made a pretty big difference. Like, I'm still fully extending my quad, but I'm not like reaching, you know? I can just kind of pump regular. And if I lean back just a little bit, it's perfectly fine. It's still a little bit further than I want it to be, but I mean, I get what I get for buying NRG seats, which I'm not too mad about. Slightly. I think I still will move the shifter just a little bit more angle to the left, or maybe we will bring it back towards me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 is a bit of a stretch, but it's not horrible. It's not uncomfortable or anything. I just think it could be a little bit more comfortable. Maybe we'll drop it to 4 on the height. 4, right? I don't know if you can see that. And then angle this way. But yeah, that should conclude the seat video. I have so much more to edit. I don't know. It's a busy. You know, I keep on saying I'm like very busy, but like that's just life now. I am busy, and I'm grateful to be busy. But my gosh, it does take away time for wanting to do what you want to do, which is why people pay other people to do certain services. Yep, and that is one thing that I am taking my time on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you have money to buy better seats than this. Maybe in the future I'll get some better seats and sell these on Marketplace or something. This is good for now. It's cold. I can't do the leather seats when it's cold or super hot. I'd rather have the fabric cloth seats just because it's a little bit more comfortable. Obviously, it's going to be a little bit uncomfortable when I start getting sweaty. But hopefully by then the X3 will be up, which I also have cloth seats in that. But it's fine. We don't need leather seats, right? Let the car speak for itself. That's the luxury. Okay. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stick around for the next one. Subscribe, comment, like. If you're at the end of the video, thank you. Don't have anything to give away, but comment down below what modification I should do next besides the turbo kit and the all-wheel drive swap. See you guys on the next one. Doses.